We're just happy to get this van built. I'm looking forward to it.
Today we're going to be starting on our 170 Sprinter build. We're going to be doing the demolition stage, taking out the subfloor, putting on kill mat. We're going to start making holes for pre-wire and just start putting in the framing as well.
So after the framing, we go ahead and install the windows. And for me, and for everybody, the windows are very nerve-wracking to install. You know, you're cutting into a brand new van and very expensive. But the way we do it, we're very careful and we plan it out so that we make clean cuts, take it very nice and slow and neat.
Are there any specific features in your van that are must-have for you?
Shower. And we don't actually shower all the time. We do a lot of cleanups in the shower space. But that was really important because you can get in there, you can close it. If it's chilly weather, you can got a warm enclosed spot to get cleaned up, even if you're doing a mini micro shower.
In this 170 Sprinter, we're going to have a really big shower, the biggest one we offer. The customers are really excited for it. On top of that, we have a beefy electrical system to handle our air conditioning unit.
Hi, Blaine. Are there any specific features that you're really excited for?
800 amp hours of battery.
Oh, the air conditioners. We stop in a parking lot to go shopping. We can turn on that air conditioning and the van will stay cool. I'm really excited about that possibility. We did a trip for almost 2 months and it was 40 degrees to 100. It's just unpredictably hot out there in the summertime.
What you do?
Just running this wire for the AC controller.
No. What's one unique feature that you were excited to see completed?
The electrical, because there was so much of it.
Nice.
So I was curious how that all was gonna fit together and all look together.
So we got the walls installed and now we're going to start the plumbing. We can put in the water tank now, we can start working on all the PEX lines. And then after that comes installing furniture.
Yeah, probably something wrapping all the way around, you know, cover this. Yeah.
We should get that fridge mounted in here, start setting that up. Then after that, we can drill a hole in the wall, the wires to come through.
So when it comes to putting in the galley, we're not working with a ton of space in here, so every inch matters. You really have to be factoring in kind of every piece of furniture and how the van is going to totally come together. For example, the electrical for the galley coming through the wall, going into it.
And so this side of it is just going to go straight up to that. So you can measure over and then down. So like,
we want to be precise, we wanted to keep it clean. Yeah, they're not all the same, so each van varies at least a little bit, and 1 inch can be a big difference.
and I can measure off that seam.
Howdy.
Like a cat in a box.
Everybody keeps saying that, dude. I'm putting in all the outlets, and so I got the wire ran, this AC outlet.
So just gonna mount up this under bed lights for the switch. Oh, as farther back as possible. So everything's all good. Lovely color.
You did good on the color. deal.
Absolutely.
There's one over here too. But
I
this
know.
is gonna be easier for me to grab. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh, I love how they did the table.
Okay.
Nice.
Fabric's just fine.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Oh, look at the wall.
Oh yeah, that's that ship that stuff.
This light, this switch is
Got a shower light.
for the shower light. Wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is lovely.
You click it in.
Oh.
This is lovely. Oh my goodness.
You can use it as a cutting board.
Oh yeah. Oh, and we got a basket in here. Oh, this is a fancy thing.